Welcome to Anchor. If you're feeling doubt creeping in, this practice is here to bring you back to yourself. Not by forcing confidence, but by helping you reconnect to the strength that's already within you. This 15-minute breathwork journey is designed to gently activate your energy, clear the mental noise, and help you feel more steady, more grounded, and more trusting in yourself. We'll move through a rhythmic breath pattern. Inhale for 2 through the nose. Hold for 2. Exhale for 4 out of the mouth. Then inhale for 2. Exhale for 2. And finally, a quicker pace. In for 1, out for 1. If at any point it feels like too much, you can always slow it down or return to your natural breath. This is your practice. So find a comfortable seated position. Let your spine be tall but relaxed. Close down the eyes and let's settle in for a moment before we begin breathing. Focusing in on where you desire to bring the confidence within. Your heart, your soul. Where do you want to feel stronger? Not just physically, but energetically stronger. Connect to this place. Feel the rhythm of your breath going in and out of your body. Feel your heartbeat beneath your chest. And getting ready to breathe in for 2. Hold for 2 and out for 4. In 3, 2, 1. In 2, hold 2, out 2. Good. 4. In for 2, hold for 2, out for 4. 3. Breathing into that space where you desire to bring more confidence. Maybe where there's a tightness, maybe where there's guilt or fear. Just letting your breath, that breath of life, come into the body so gently, nourishing you. Creating that space within, slowly beginning to wash out the doubt, to wash out the limited beliefs. Getting ready to switch over and breathe in for 2 and out for 2. And 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 2. Exhale for 2. Good. In 2, out 2. In 2, out 2. In 2, out 2. In 2, out 2. Now we're tapping into your power. Feeling the energy beginning to build within you. Feeling your strength getting stronger. Everything you desire, everything you wish. Having faith in you. Having faith in a higher power. Trusting. Can you trust yourself enough to know that you can, that you will. It's not about discipline. It's more about loving you with devotion. You're doing amazing. In just a minute, we're going to breathe in for one and out for one. And this is where I invite you to really pull that power in. As you breathe in through your nose, bring it right into your heart, right into your solar plexus, the place right where your ribs come together, and feel your own inner strength. As you exhale, we're going to let go of everything that is no longer serving you. All the thoughts, the doubts, the stagnation, the negativity, letting it go. 3, 2, 1. Breathing in and out, in and out. That's it. You are powerful beyond measure. Tap into your strength. Tap into your power, your confidence. It is beneath all of the layers of pain. It is time for you to remember who you were born to be, not what people told you you should be, or what you learned you were through programming and conditioning, but who you are to the core. We're going to go into a top hold and then a long bottom hold here in just a moment, taking a few more rounds of this breath. Taking a deep breath in, holding here at the top. Releasing in 3, 2, 1. Going into a bottom hold here for just a moment. Getting ready to bring the breath back. We're going to inhale through the nose. Go into one more short top hold. Inhale. Hold here at the top, squeezing the pelvic floor, shooting the energy up and out through the head. And exhale everything out. Coming back into breathing in for 2, hold for 2, exhale 4. Good. In, hold, out. You're doing beautifully. Just a few more minutes of this breath pattern. This practice is here for you. When you forget how powerful you truly are, when you need a reminder of what you're capable of your strength, your power, your resiliency, the parts of you that want to give up but always know you can do it and never do give up. Come back here, breathe here, remember. Getting ready to breathe in for 2, out for 2. And 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 2. Exhale, 2. That's it. If it feels aligned for you, I invite you to bring your hands to your heart, saying in your mind while you breathe, I remember who I am. Repeat after me, I remember who I am. I remember my strength. I believe in me. Ready to go into our final short top hold with a longer bottom hold. Inhaling all the way in, hold at the top. Exhaling in 3, 2, 1. Going into a bottom hold. Bringing the breath back in 3, 2, 1. Inhale, squeezing that pelvic floor, holding for just a moment. And exhaling it all out. Returning back to the natural breath here. Inviting you to bring a smile to your face. Take a moment to thank yourself for showing up, for breathing, listening, and allowing space for your body today. Remember that breath is life and will always bring you back home to self. See you in the next one.